Hey, what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. First off, thanks for bearing with me during the closing of 2022. Just took a little bit of time away from the shop. Did a few small projects, but for the most part, just spent some time with family and just really enjoyed getting a little bit of a breather. But we are back. It is 2023 and welcome. So today we've got this piece of what I believe to be tulip wood, just based on the coloring and pieces I've turned before. I'm going to cut this down to square. Right now, this piece is 10 inches across, 13 inches long. Going to cut this down to square, so it'll be 10 by 10, and I want to do an emerging bowl out of this piece. I think it's going to look great. Additionally, to kick off 2023, we are doing a giveaway of a kit of Brad's abrasive paste and Tung Wax finish. So make sure and watch this video all the way through. I will post up at some random point during the video a blurb of exactly what phrase to use in the comments down below to be entered into the giveaway. So today is January the 7th, 2023, and we are going to give it 1 week to do the entry. So at noon on January the 14th, Central Time in the continental US, we will do our drawing. So we will pick from the random comments and get that information out. So we will have a quick video that afternoon for the giveaway winner announcement. Please remember, this is only valid for the United States. International shipping is just very cost prohibitive, as most of you know if you do ship internationally. So this is limited to the United States. At any rate, let's get going. Hey everybody, welcome back. Newsflash, this is not tulip wood. This is walnut. Cut beautifully, as walnut always does. Smells great, as walnut always does. And finishes up amazingly, as walnut always does. At any rate, we have our emerging bowl. So super happy with how this turned out. Obviously had some cracking. This was in my kiln for a long time, probably about 4 or 5 months at around 95 degrees, so good and dry. Super happy with how it turned out though. Got it branded mortise on the bottom, which I don't typically do, but wanted a mortise on this one. Had the 2 screws break off as you saw, but got those taken out. I was inspired to do another emerging bowl. I did one earlier, and I'll put a link to that video right up here. That one was called the Pika Bowl. So I really enjoyed that one. It had 6 sides. But I was inspired by Todd over at Duke of Heritage to do another emerging bowl with his last video, and I'll put a link to his video right up here. So definitely go check him out. Like I said earlier, if this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing. Mash that thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't, and remember, use the appropriate phrase, as I threw up in the middle of the video back there. Use the appropriate phrase in the comments to be entered into the drawing, which will take place 1 week from today. So, at any rate, we'll catch you next time.